Hello everybody, YouTube. Right, I finished that bit on the back. I tackled a bit more as well. There was a nice big patch there that been gone in, and there was a few bits inside up there, and there was one down there. From what I can see at the moment, this complete, all the side of this had gone, so same with that side. I've replaced that. I'm not sure what's behind here regarding somebody's previous work, but we'll find out when we shot blasted. I just thought I'd carry on tackling bits that I could do. This side was pretty bad. I've replaced the whole section here, and that's got to be all taken out and redone. That's got to be redone. I'll pull that out and rejoin it to the bottom piece, and I think this has got to come out as well. This bit's rotten here, and it's pretty rotten up to the seam, so I think the best bet is to just take that out in its entirety and replace it. It doesn't look too bad from the inside, but it does up there and down the bottom where somebody's had a go at it. So I think while it's in bits, I might as well just rip it all out and do it complete. So I'll finish the rotisserie. I just got to paint it. I've got some silver amorite somewhere. I just tested it, just lifted the car, no problem at all, but I didn't try and turn it because of the wheels and axle and everything are on it, so, and that's just the bar that keeps it together in. So that can go all the way in there. So right, there you go. I'm not sure how much I'll do tomorrow. It's Sunday, so we'll see. I might just carry on with this bit here. I did go down the breaker's yard and have a look for a windscreen, or not a windscreen obviously for this, but see if I could find anything fairly the right size. I thought if I could find something almost the same size, I could modify the frame, but unfortunately most European cars are a lot narrower, and because of the rake on the windscreens and all this blooming what do you call drag coefficient, that they're really tall because they slope so far back. So unless I can find something pretty soon, because it's not going to, once it's been to the shop blasters, it's not going to take that long to finish the bodywork, so I will have to use the original screen even though it's got a crack in that side. So there you go, that's just one of them things. I'll keep on it looking, and one of them, if it was American, oh yeah, no problem, get one tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but you know what I mean, a couple of weeks. But the trouble is, I wish I knew if the Ford Ranchero in America was the same size screen, because I'd just order one. But anyway, onwards and upwards. Cheers everybody, see you later, thanks for watching.